Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, as you can hear, it's raining outside, but anyway, that's besides the point, because today I went to a garden centre to buy some plants for me and my wife. Also I bought a big box of grass seed because the lawn's looking a bit scruffy and needs a little bit of tidying up. And these are the plants I bought anyway. Bought 4 of these impatiens. They had 3 different colours, so I bought 2 of these purpley ones, and I bought a red one and a white one. So yeah, 4 of those, £11. Quite reasonable. Flower from now until October when the frost starts to come, and then they stop. The same with these little daisy plants I've got here. I bought 3 of these. They were 3 for £6. So I bought this nice bright one, this purpley one, and this yellowy one. Also, while I was there, I bought a basil plant, Chinese money plant, and this I needed. This is some leaf shine for some of my indoor tropical plants. So we'll give that a bit of a go later on. I've got a Monstera that needs the leaves tidying up a little bit. I bought a bromeliad. Here, as you know, these ones you just water inside these little cup areas with rainwater preferably. And this is another type of bromeliad here. Yeah, all in all, I had quite a good time and quite a good haul of garden plants. So I won't be putting them out just yet. I want to be sure that the frosts are completely finished, which I'm not sure just yet. I mean, we're still early in May. So anyway, that's it. Thought I'd share this little visit with you that I had to the garden centre, and thanks very much for watching. Please don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Give me a like, give me a share, and join me next time. Bye for now.